Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the series of Django web application deployment on AWS EC2 using Nginx and Unicorn. So first let's start by creating EC2 instance. If you don't have AWS account, create one. Then log into your AWS account. After login, you will see EC2 dashboards. If not, then you can search EC2. Now, there are many running instances on your EC2 dashboard. You might not see these instances. Now, let's create an instance. First, you have to type a name of the instance, something like demo server. Then, select the OS. Usually, we go for the Ubuntu. Explore the instance here, but they are all paid. Now you can select any instance type you want, but I'll go for free tier right now. And now let's choose free. For security purpose, we have to create a key pair. I already have one key pair created. You can create new key pair by clicking here. Without key pair is not recommended actually. So right now I'll select my existing key pair. Now we have to create a security group. Allow SSH, HTTP and HTTPS, or if you have existing security groups, you can select from there also. But I will go for and create new one. I'll allow HTTPS and HTTP. Now lastly, select the storage size you want to provide for server, and review all the instances that you have provided, that you have given, and click on launch instances. After that, your instance running will take some time, and you can click the check, and here you can see your demo server is running. You can click on demo server and check your public IP to visit the server. Like let's suppose this is our demo server and it's running here and it's initializing. It's fine, it's not a big problem. Now you can check and see your public IP address. You can check. Now in the next video I'll show you how to deploy Django applications. Till then, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and happy coding. Bye bye.